Hey, what up guys, this video is going to be talking about how to change the headlights in BMW E90. So I know it's a little bit hard for BMW, but this video is going to be teach you in easy way to change headlights. So without wasting time, let's jump into it. These are the only two things you need to fix this issue. Here I'm using H1 bulb, and also I'm using 5 cents coin. For you can use whatever coin you can find. First thing you want to do is turn your tire into opposite direction, and you will see there's a panel right behind there, so you just need to take it off. First of all, you need to get the coin and put it here, and you just need to twist like this. And on the side as well. Yep, you can just take it out, and you can see the lights here. So we're gonna change the beam light. Beam light is right here. So for change, we have to take this thing out, like the cover first, and you can see the light right here. And you can see here, so some clip. So you have to take off, and the bulb is coming out very easily when we take off this thing. And here's the light. So this is the one we're gonna change right now. So you can see it's burnt already. So let's change it. You can see right here one clip here. This is the bulb, so don't touch here. So maybe touch from here and just take it off this clip right here. When you take it off like the bulb, make sure to not to touch the bulb here, right here, the glass part. So you take from here like that, and you just clip in. And go for it. Done. You have changed the bulbs already. I know it's not the easiest, but still you can do it at home rather than going to the garage, so you can save some money. So if you have any question, just comment in the below. Thank you so much.